要晓得这个背后，撒旦就是不要人看见那个最重要的关系是神和人的关系。
And I want to say that behind all of this, there is a veil that the enemy does not want us to see, that there's a far more important relationship, this relationship between God and man.
不管刚才那5个，你把谁放在第一个？有人把夫妻放第一个，有人把孩子放第一个。
And some people may put the spouse, the relationship with their spouse as number one, or maybe relationship with their kids as number one.
但是只要神不是首位，我们都错了，我们都被骗了。
I want to say, unless God has the first place, then we are all deceived. We are all wrong.
另外，我们特别也要强调的，就是今天我们基督徒被仇敌蒙蔽到一个地步。
And the other thing that I want to emphasize tonight is that the children of God, we've been blinded to the extent.
我们居然把这么伟大的神拉到跟地上的人事物摆在一起，然后来排优先顺序。
And we took this great and awesome God, we pulled and yanked him down to earth, and we prioritized him according to the things of this world.
然后我们有那么多的讲座 workshop 在讨论如何平衡家庭、教会、侍奉，还有我个人。
And then we have so many workshops that talks about how do I bring a balance between ministry, service, family, and me personal, my personal needs.
整个大方向就是错误，就是被仇敌蒙蔽，被仇敌欺骗。
I will tell you this grand direction is a deception from the enemy.
这么伟大的神，怎么可能放在5轮里面？
This great and awesome God, how do you take him and put him in the same level as the rest of the things in your life?
我们看到多少人生了孩子以后，不再来聚会，不再追求，不再长进，不再侍奉了。
So many people, once they have kids, they stop coming to church, they stop coming to services, worship, and even ministries.
我们把神给我们的产业、给我们的祝福放到第一位去了。
And we took what God has blessed us with, the inheritance it has given us, and we put that in the very first place now.
原来那么爱主的，就为了一个女朋友，从此不来教会了。
And we used to be fervent, and we love the Lord, but because of my girlfriend, I don't come to church anymore.
为了今生丧失永恒，值得吗？
For this life, you're giving up eternity. Is that worth it?
弟兄姊妹，今天神家不想用律法、用要求来带领弟兄姐妹。
Brothers and sisters, we are not leading each of you by legalism.
我们里面需要开启看见了，你自然撇下，你自然尊主为大，甚至在凡事上让他居首位。
If you see, if this vision catches you, then you yourself will cast those things away, and you will let the Lord be the first place.
这叫 first thing first。
And this is what is meant by first thing first.
你把神摆对的位置，你自己再也不会动摇了。
You put God in the right place, then you will no longer be shaken.
不管你在今生生病也好，家庭有问题，公司有问题，人生碰到挑战，你自己里面把神摆对的，你非常稳的。
Whether you're physically ill, whether there are issues with the family or it's the issues at work, if you put God at the right place, then I will tell you, you will be firm in all that you do.
因为这位伟大的神跟今生任何的人事物是没得相比的 ，not comparable。
Because this great and awesome God is not comparable with anything.
所以我希望弟兄姊妹，今天这个信息虽然好像有点高，但是它是真实的，这是圣经的东西。
Brother and sister, I know the message tonight may seem like they're a little lofty, but I want to say that they're very, very substantial. They're solid.
仇敌让我们忽略了那最重要、最不可少的事情。
The enemy wants us to neglect the one thing that is the most important.